Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. You'll have a better idea of where money's going and where money is not going. And isn't that what you want? It helps guide you. You don't have to have an opinion, just get in line with what is. Genomic stocks, biotechnology, acting decent, COVID related. I'm just going to scroll down the list. Cloud computing, picking up. It's been strong. That's good. Moving up on a pickup in volume Friday. Telemedicine related to COVID-19. Moving up a little bit. This is a newer ETF. Moving up. Trade's a little thin though. Be aware of that. Thin stocks, thin ETFs, tough. IBD 50 ETF. This is the ETF of the IBD 50 stocks. Starting to pick up a little bit. Indicative of leadership. This stock focuses on the max list. This ETF. Acting decent. It did fall down here quite a bit. Look at that. Coming back a bit. Here's the next one for us. Gold miners. Picking up a bit. Some resistance at the 50-day, but it is starting to pick up again on a pickup in volume. Junior gold miners above the 50-day. Here's a great lesson for you. Gold miners below the 50-day. Junior gold miners above the 50-day on a pickup in volume. What does that tell you? Maybe focus on the junior gold miners. There's the power for you. Gold picking up, but still below the moving averages. Good volume on Friday. Biotechnology, again, related to, the healthcare situation. Grinding up. No clean entry here, but lifting up. North American technology's been grinding up. That's good to see. Technology, leader. Medical, lifting, hitting highs. Good to see. Home builders. Home builders have been strong. Continuing. Nice to know. What was that tell you? Hey, I should have been looking at home building stocks. There you go. That's why we do this. Growth, S&P growth. Again, another one that owns a lot of the big tech stocks and max list stocks. Starting to pick up again. Good to see. Russell 2000 Index, IWM. Small caps hitting new highs. That's a plus. This one owns more max list stocks. Lifting nicely. Good to see. Mid cap hitting highs. That's nice to see. Remember that. Small cap, mid cap hitting highs. Oil services. Look at this. There's nothing there. Nothing. Move on. Online retailing picking up. Again, COVID related. Isn't that nice? Moving up and hitting highs. Software lifting up. What does it tell us? It tells us that there is a lot of areas that are acting decent. And that helps us. QLD, NASDAQ 100. It's been lagging, but it is starting to grind up again. QQQ, same thing as QLD. Cloud computing, picking up again. I'm pointing these things out to help us know where to go and where not to go. And that helps us. Silver, it's picking up some, but nothing really special there. Steel, hit highs, pulled back a little bit. SMH, semiconductors, it's been strong. What does that tell you? Technology, there you go. The spiders picked up a little bit on, the end of the week. What does that tell us? Rally picking out a bit, spreading out. SSO, the leverage one picking up. Solar, I'll show you something here. Look at that base on solar. Isn't that nice? And it breaks out on a pickup in volume. And look at it now. Isn't that great? What did that tell you? Well, maybe I need to, several weeks ago, maybe I should look at some solar stocks. And folks, I'll say it again. A couple weeks ago, when it did this, you'd say, even here, maybe I should look at some solar stocks. And guess what? What have some of those stocks done? They've made good moves. Small cap. This is the leverage small cap hanging in there. Aerospace and defense. What does this tell you? I just showed you a bunch of ETFs and indexes that are acting good. Here's one that's not. There you go. Biotechnology. Another biotech picking up a little bit. Home builders. Look at that. Another home builder ETF. Isn't that great to see? Basic materials. How do you build things? How do you build homes? You need materials. Now, here's the inverse. Look at this. Communications. Nothing going on there, is there? Nothing. What does that say? Leave it alone. Energy. What does this say, folks? Leave it alone. There you go. Financials. There's really nothing special there. Leave it alone. Industrials. Acting better. Compare and contrast. Financials. Energy. Industrials. See the strength? And it's been strong. What does that tell us? Again, focus in the areas that are strong. That helps you. Leading groups, leading stocks. Technology has been lagging, but it's starting to pick up again. That's good to see. Technology. Consumer staples, still lagging a bit, but picking up some. Utilities. Look at that. Utilities picking up. Healthcare. Again, COVID related, hanging in there. Consumer discretionary, good. Metals and mining related to gold, hanging in there. Retailing, hitting all-time highs. Folks, I say this almost every week, and I'm going to say it again. This is why I'm not all wrapped up looking at the darn news on TV and cable and all that other crud. You listen to that, and it's the end of the frickin' world. And all I know is this, is retailing has been hitting an all-time high. The consumer is dead. Everything's over. Well, not according to this. All right? That's what we rest on. Knowledge is power, and we get it right here. Software, almost at new highs. 52-week highs, all-time highs. And we go back to the top. You know what areas to look at and concentrate on to put money and what areas to avoid. That's power. That's power for us. Anyway, it's what we do at Mission Winners. Just wanted to share it with you, and I hope it helps you formulate some tactics and strategies to stay on the right side of the leading sectors.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.